Hello. So guys, I'll be teaching you how to make a video on Canva. So just go to canva.com and click on the videos. Then you can pick the frame. So I want to do this video for Facebook. So I'm going to click on Facebook. Now this is the Canva canvas where I am going to be working. So what you need to do now, you don't need to do anything, but we're going to be using the AI tool to build this video. There are so many ways that we can do this. We can actually come here and give the AI a prompt and tell it what we want to do. You can see it, magic design for videos, but this is basically for the pro version. So if you paid for the pro version, you can use this, but I want to do this for everybody. So since I want to do it for everybody, what I want to do now is I'm going to come here and then I'm going to look for any similar video that will describe what I want to do. So let's say I want to do a video for Facebook advertisement. I can just simply come here and type Facebook adverts videos, and I can click here. Automatically it will give me some similar samples, so I can just pick any one, just drag it and drop it on your canvas, and you can just simply click on any of these to customize it to your taste. We can actually add another frame to this, so I can simply click on this on the second video, on the second one, or rather I can just click on apply all the 5 pages, and all the 5 pages will be applied for my design, as you can see here. Then I can click on any of these and customize it. Okay, Facebook marketing is simple with me. Okay, so we can just customize it. You can add virtually anything you want to add. You can come here, add anything that you want to add. You can also upload your logo from here and do virtually anything that you want to do. Then once you are done, you can also customize the time frame for each of the scene. So you can, as you can see here, this is the scenes for this video. So this is 5.8 seconds, this is 4.6 seconds, and so on. So we can actually reduce the amount of time for each scene. So you can drag it, click on it and drag it. So once you are done doing that, you can come here and rename your work. So sorry, you come here and rename your work. So you can see this is Facebook marketing. I can give it any other name. You can say Facebook is easy as the name. All right, I can just come here and download my work. So click here. So here you see MP4, and then you can increase the quality of this video. You can as well decrease the quality of this video, and then you click on download and this video automatically starts to download. But one of the limitations in this particular video is that it doesn't have sound. We can just play it so that we can see what we have there. Okay, it has this particular one. But if it doesn't have sound, you can also add sound to it. I'll show you in my next video. Thank you.